What's up, guys? It's currently August 16th. It's your boy's birthday. I'm finally 19, an average 19-year-old. I have someone special here today. She's making me breakfast. But yeah, I plan on hitting some chest. Maybe a bench PR, maybe. I don't know what I'm going for. Just gonna see how it feels. And then, yeah, all my friends are gonna meet up there. We plan on going at 1. It's currently, what time is it?
11:39.
Okay, so 11:40 technically. I'm gonna have some tapioca, some cheese, some eggs, 9 eggs, 1 cup of tapioca, and cheddar cheese. So yeah. Get that chest pump. I'm kind of bulky right now, but I am bulking, so it's normal. Yeah. I'll probably start recording again when I'm in the car. Yeah. Okay, so I'll probably just like talk till we get there, right? I told all my friends that I was gonna get there around like 2:30ish or something. Birth Divinity drop is coming out on the 20th. So if you guys want to cop anything, that would be the time. Make sure to use my code RAXY, 10% off. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn in 0.5 miles. So yeah. Okay, so 1/3 of the way, I don't know how to get to my gym, but I do know how to get there after that. Alright, come on, let's go. Shit. Hey, stop. We made it. Slanted a little bit, no? It does look like it's gonna rain. It's very cloudy right now, but it's probably gonna rain in the next like hour or so, I'm guessing. I'm supposed to have like a 3x5. No, I was supposed to have a single at an 8, an RP8. But depending on how I feel, I might go a little heavier. I don't recommend you guys take it, but I'm going to be taking some DMMA just cause. And if you guys wonder if DMMA is natty, I'll count it as half natty, but in reality it is natty. It's just it's stimulant. It's a stimulant. It's kind of like a gym meth or gym Adderall in a way. It's safe to take, but it's not safe if you take too much. That goes with everything. If you take too much pre-workout, what do you think is gonna happen, you know? I'm seeing a lot of the new Camrys. Another thing with the new Birth Divinity drop, they did fix the whole sleeve issue. So before in the older drop, they had an issue where the sleeves would go like probably up here, on the shoulder, so it'd be like halfway on your shoulder. But as soon as you put it on, it would be on your shoulder, and then it would roll up like literally up here. But like with this new drop, it stays like right below your shoulder. So that's like one pro about the new drop that I really like, and the design. The design looks sick. I feel like, I don't know, this right here is a symbiote.
Call this a symbiote.
Bro, this guy on my right, he like looks like he's like edging, bro. It's like weird. Like he's like, his head's like on his steering wheel. And I don't know, his mouth is open and everything. I don't want to say anything else, but like, I don't think that's normal for a driver at least. Bro, come on. Don't do this to me. Oh look, there's an accident. Corolla and a truck. A Ram. If you guys are wondering what kind of car I drive, it's clearly a Lamborghini Aventador. It's one of the older models, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm just like that. No, I'm kidding. It's a 2010 Corolla. You know what's up. It gets me to point A to point B, so that's all that really matters. I really hope the bench is open. Should I say fuck it and fudge? And just throw on a deadlift bar and bench with a deadlift bar just for the fun of it? Or should I just like be normal and use a power bar and bench? Shit, I don't know, bro. I would use a deadlift bar, but it's so sketchy. Like the whip scares me. I mean, like, damn, why not? I'll do it. Maybe I'll try 335, 335 maybe. Okay, buddy. So I had my carbs, I had my sodium. You know what's up? I am holding so much water weight. Like, it's like body dysmorphia is killing me right now. But I just feel a lot bigger. My stomach looks a lot bigger. I'm losing my abs, sadly. But it's all gonna be worth it at the end. Trust me. Probably not gonna continue it. Wait, actually, I've been bulking for what, like 2 months now? So I'd say in the 4-month period, I should be going back to a maintenance. Maybe like a little bit over maintenance, like a little surplus, but nothing crazy. Right now I am eating like 4,400 calories, but that's a little too much for me, I'm not gonna lie. So after, like, I'd say 1 more month, I'd probably bring it down to 41 to 4K. I think that should be good. Cause I was gaining weight, but nah, honestly, I was not gaining weight. I was just staying at the same like weight, but I would get heavier during the day, which was another pro. So I might just do that. So I'm gonna, after this month, I might go back to 41 and 4K. So Xavier was telling me like, oh, you should probably do 4K on your rest days and 42 or something on my workouts. So yeah, we're here. It's 10, yeah, I've been recording for 10 minutes and 43 seconds. I'm gonna go text my friends. I'm gonna go head in. I'm gonna go set up my DMMA concoction. I also threw in some Psychopharma pre-workout and Psychopharma pump in here. Make sure to use my code too, right there. Yeah, I also threw in a little bit of bucked up pump on top of the Psychopharma pump. And I threw in vitamin B12, B6, B1, I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember the last one. But yeah, let's go in and create. No, let's just go in and just finish up this little pre-workout thingy and warm up. Hey, someone pulled up. What's good, dude?
Happy birthday to
you.
you. Oh no, I'm screwed.
What?
My coach is here. I told him I'm not lifting today.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I'm not. I'm probably just gonna do cardio.
No. Shoot. Pre. It's like hurricane season.
I don't know, bro. I mean, I enjoy the clouds.
Yeah, what do you think about starting next month? I bumped the cows down a little bit to like 41. So I'm not like super fat.
Yeah.
Because I feel like my stomach's just like huge right now. A little 0.5. Alright. Let's go head in the locker room. Throw some DMMA. Why are you holding it? Like, you can hold it lower.
Whoops.
Yeah, so let's throw some DMMA in here. Head in the locker room.
What code is that? What brand is that?
Psychopharma. I already told him.
Oh, okay, of course.
I just gotta make sure I find like the bench.
Hopefully.
It's open.
I mean, it doesn't look that busy
If
today.
it's not open, then I'll just wait for it.
Yeah, it's fine. We got all day, except for me.
I just got work at like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I hate having a job, but I need money.
Have a good workout.
Put in that goal.
Have a good workout.
All right, let's go. Let's weigh in. Alex is also like 3 weeks out. So, yeah. Uh, 171.8.
171.8. Damn. I was 125 this morning, but I ate a big meal.
Yeah. What are you supposed to weigh in at meet?
123.
123?
That's easy.
Yeah. Shoot. I might pee too after. So look, I'm gonna use this spoon right here. This little tiny this is my cereal spoon. I eat my cereal from this right here. This thingy, I bought this like probably senior year of high school, so a year and a half ago. Here, how do I? Yeah, that's better. So it's pretty much just like a chemical compound. It's a stimulant. It was banned by the FDA, but it's fine. I was able to find it like on the web last year, but like now I could not find any online. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's shake this thingy. What's up, bro? This looks nasty. It looks like dirt water. What's up, Corey? Thanks, bro. What's going on? Alright, so we just finished eating the buffet food. I ate like a lot. I'll show you guys the macros up on the screen.
Both ate a lot.
But now we're in like a Korean market right now. So we're just gonna look around. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh shit. So what, this is Saturday today?
Saturday at Market.
Yeah?
Nope.
Let's go hit some deadlifts. Actually, before we hit deadlifts, we're gonna go to Chipotle. Alright, bro. So
Alright.
Look at the,
try that cycle
wait,
farmer.
let's show them on the Ninja, because the shit shows the exotic color.
It looks like matcha iced coffee. Or it's like some alien type.
Our coffee, guys.
Alien type
That'd be
coffee.
Insane.
Alright. First try?
This is actually my first
You
time.
never tried it, so
I've
you're
never
trying
had
it
it
the first
cold.
time.
I've never had it cold.
You did not give me enough. Where is this good?
I did not give you enough. I gave you a fucking heaping scoop, shit.
You give him a full scoop?
Yeah. Give him more than a full. I give him like a scoop and a quarter, bro.
Okay, there you go. I didn't mix it up. That's good.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
fire. 10 out of
Good?
10. You just code Roxy?
Oh yeah? Nick also gave me what is this?
Bacon wrapped cheeseburgers with Asiago cheese.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Bad boy season.
We're getting big. We're getting big. Alright, they better give me a good portion. I'm gonna record them.
First, some familiar music. Lady Gaga leading the way.
Shit, I look homeless.
You look homeless?
Woke up like that.
Woke up feeling like, I feel like I look.
This the
This is like
fit.
Young LA. Yo, I finally watched it. Greg Duchesne's video on John Franco.
Oh yeah, right. When I saw that, I was like, holy crap. Yeah, he did. He did.
You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, it's on YouTube, bro. It has like 200K right now.
No way.
Dude. Like he's just calling it the biggest fake natty.
He's saying he's a fake natty?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No, I think he's not.
I think John
it's possible.
Franco's
It's
very
possible.
natty, bro.
Ever since we've known him, bro.
Yeah, he's. I mean, like he does look more like defined.
Bigger, obviously. He's definitely
True.
But like, I wouldn't say.
But he does like bodybuilding training right now.
Yeah, you can't say he's not natty though. He's not like doing a ridiculous, just out of nowhere strength burst. It's like consistent progress over a year.
It's really not bad. Cause he looked the same. Like he was a little more chubbier last year,
Yeah, but
like he always had the arms.
Yeah, he always had a big ass arm.
He played football and shit.
And he always had like believe it or not, his waist isn't that big for how big he is. He kind of got a small waist. He's fucking 40. So 40, yeah, it was like an upside down hourglass. Bro.
I mean, last year his waist was big, but like this year it's
last year.
strong.
Remember, you guys, you should put in the clip.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in the clip. The clip of like, you know, we're in the locker room.
Oh.
Have you talked to him?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, he's the only classmate Young LA now.
Yeah. Red Divinity, Young LA collab.
Yo, we gotta record you trying.
Alright.
I would,
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
Macros.
Order something good.
What you want, bro?
Come on, bro.
What's up, boy? Yo, is that Tito Kang?
Yo.
Oh my god. That's
No, thank you. That's
which ones are like not like add-ons? Like that are like free? Okay. Can I get some tomato? Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's your water.
Oh, thank you. Bro, look at Chipotle. Bro, look at this shit. Look at this shit. What the hell? Bro, it's like 1 cup of rice and like less than 4 ounces of chicken. It's like 3 ounces of chicken.
the bowl, Alex.
But that's yours, bro.
I know, that's the sad part. It's fine, it's small, yeah.
You know, I ordered from them last night and they hooked us up way better.
But like, bro,
At night, bro, they hook you up.
there's like,
Because they're running out of food. That's like, they're trying to get rid of everything.
yeah. But like, there's mostly like, I threw in some tomatoes.
That's some BS, bro.
Yeah. All right, let's fuck this shit up.
Assalamu alaikum.
I got a Diet Coke.
I gotta try this.
Diet Coke. Absolutely amazing. Is that gas, guys? Is it gas?
Where is it? Margate? Margate Barbell. Margate Barbell.
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with faith to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. I'll get him hard, show him what I got. I'll get him hard, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read him by my poker face. Can't read my, no, we can't read him by my poker face. Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a heart that we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not rough, it isn't fun. I'll get him hard, show him what I got. I'll get him hard, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, we can't read my.
Alright, so deadlifts did not feel that great, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's just my body telling me like, hey, you should probably take a rest. So after this is tomorrow, which would be Sunday. I'm gonna take a rest day, and then Monday probably take a rest day. I feel like it would just be beneficial for my body in general. You wanna say what's up?
First day in the gym, it's my coach behind the camera, man. Pretty cool guy.
Tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love glue gunning. Just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I pay you out. I promise this promises. Check this hand cause I'm marvelous. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Can't read mine, no we can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face.
Hey, bro, you're cheating. Hey, yo.
Oh, that's cheating.
Come on. Go. Press. There you go.
Ow.
No, wait. How old are you? Hey, my turn.
How old am I?
I have to set it for my age. Hold on.
You have forearm pump doing this.
Dude.
How does it change?
Oh, wait.
41?
141.
Damn.
Strong.
All right, change the age. Just do 19, bro.
Yeah.
Don't cheat. Come on.
No, that's just slipping, bro.
Stop, bro.
83. Hold on. I have this bad grip.
All right. Yeah, there you go. 93, okay.
What you got, 115?
This is so much fun, dog.
110?
Let me show you.
110 top.
Okay. Yeah, there's WD-40 right there.
Top of the gym is 160. That's by Eli. He deadlifts like 620.
Oh, Eli.
Shit.
Ah, shit, I feel fuck.
You can also adjust that to the metal thingy to change the leverages on your hands.
Whoa.
Where you at?
Oh, really? What would be better for me?
I have no idea. I haven't played around with it long enough to know like the most advantageous way to do it.
For a fucking small man. 109. 110. Okay.
Come on, Nick. Come on. Come on, get that shit. Come on. Come on, up. Come on. All the way. Up. Oh, shit.
I'm fucking back! Holy fuck, dude. Bro, actually is on the sim.
280. 300.
Oh, there you go. Come on.
Get under.
Lock in.
There you go. He has
Oh, core straight up.
Fuck.
We haven't grown straight to the beach.
Place unknown as a dead man clutched to the bottom of a throne at the bottom of a hole that nobody wants to go. It's the devil that you know that's got a hold. But the people are evil and never know demon designer, the opposite of a divine. No! The hell is in front of you, sitting behind. I can feel every sign of a human decline. Believing the time is upon us when all of our people are blind. Yo! Man, saw it falling from a tower's dead plane, head bang.
We go mug here.
Should we?
Kinda, yeah. I kinda want to.
How many calories do you think that is?
Probably 100 for you.
Talk to brownie, bro. Brownie time?
Brownie time, bro.
Brownie time. Want them to buy?
back actually hurts the flesh in my lap.
Wait, give me. There you go. Alright, so we got a little tan, did some cardio playing football. I already know. Still fat, you know, I wish I was a little shredded.
Bro, same.
But it's fine.
We got fat, both of us. We both started permable.
Yeah, perma bulk.
Well, listen.
When we go back on maintenance, it's gonna be fucking
Yo.
fire.
Guys, me and
You have like hella sand, like other side. Alright, we're gonna walk to the pier and then head home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, the video with the boys. See you guys next time.